about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Woo! Look at this! This is a fire department helicopter toy. Ooh, and today we're at the Los Angeles City Fire Department Air Operations. And let me tell you, I have a surprise for you! This is a real fire department helicopter! I am so excited to learn about fire department helicopters today with you! Are you ready? Let's go! Woo! Okay, now let's check out the inside of the fire department helicopter. Come on! We have to open up the door. Whoa, do you see in here? This, is the cab of the helicopter. Come in here. Whoa, there's so many cool things in here. First, let me show you the cockpit. Whoa, look up there. There's so many cool instruments, gadgets, radios. Whoa! Okay, for now, I'll show you the cab. Ooh, there's a lot of seats in here. See? I'm gonna go to this one. Whoa, hey! This seat has a seat belt. I'm gonna put it on. All right, buckle up. Ooh, you see? I'm in this seat, and there's another seat. There's another seat. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's actually another seat in the back. Yeah, 5. You're sitting on it. That's funny. Whoa, look at this. Look at this giant backpack. There's a bunch of medical supplies in here. Whoa. This is what they take down to the ground to help people. Whoa, look at this light. Whoa! It's the color blue and it's shining on my face. So these lights are really dim. So then from there you can use your MVGs, your night vision goggles, and see at night so it doesn't blind you. Whoa! Whoa! This is a headset. Wow, you put it on your ears. And then has a microphone right here, but I have to plug it in first. Check this out. Get ready, listen. Whoa! Can you hear me? I sound funny. I'm talking through the microphone right now. Whoa! Flying in a helicopter! Okay, I'll show you more of that later. But for now, look at this. This, whoa, is a med deck. I can pull it out. It's nice and flat. Keeps the spine of the patient nice and flat. Okay, gotta put it back in here. Okay, there we go. Wow, it was so cool seeing the inside of the cab of the helicopter. Whoa, so many cool things. Whoa, what's this?
Blippi, this is our hook for our rescue hoist.
Oh, a hook on the rescue. Wait a second. Who are you?
I'm Pilot Sharif.
What do you do?
Well, today I'm the hoist operator on our air ambulance at the LAFD Air Operations.
Ooh, that's cool. Wait, what's in your hand?
This is called the pendant. It's what controls our hook. You can lower and raise it with this controller here.
Whoa, this is the controller of the hoist. Wow. Can you show me all of this stuff in action?
I sure can. Would you like to try our hot seat? This is how we rescue people who really aren't hurt on the ground.
And a hot seat? I wonder what a hot seat is.
Well, our hot seat looks like a jacket. Go ahead and put your helmet on.
Okay.
And you already have safety glasses on, so that works.
Look, I'm wearing a white helmet.
This works just like a jacket. And it's a simple harness that allows us to bring you up into the helicopter safely without falling through.
Okay, so this is a harness that if I'm on the ground, you hoist down, or someone hoists down to come save me, right?
That's right, and they'll help you put this on just like this.
Okay.
And they'll connect you to the hook once you get down on the ground.
Okay.
We'll lower the hook down to you, and then we'll connect it.
Whoa.
When you're ready, we'll bring you up.
Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Whoa! Whoa! It's like I'm flying!
We'll bring you all the way up to the helicopter.
Okay.
We'll bring you in, and then Blippi will be safe.
Oh, cool!
Fly away.
Well, thank you so much for showing me this.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right.
It was nice to meet you, Blippi.
Nice to meet you too. Wow, this is so much fun. Hey, wait! Hey, wait a second! Come back! I'm stuck! Hey! Hello? Hey! Oh no! Whee! Inside the cockpit while the tug tugs the helicopter. Riding the helicopter. Okay, just to let you know, helicopters are at airports, and also airplanes are at airports. And if there's ever a problem at an airport, they have a big truck called a foam truck. Oh hey, look, there's a foam truck right over there. Do you see it? Yeah. Okay, so what foam trucks do are they spray foam and water out the front just in case if there's ever anything at the airport, like a fire. So what we're gonna do is show you it spraying water out of the turret. See? There's the first turret. Whoa! That's so powerful. Are you ready for the second turret? All right, here we go. Whoa! You see that? There's one turret. And there's two turrets! Wow, look at all the water! What they're doing now is landing, so then they can fill up the helicopter with water. Watch! like he's ready. Wow! Look at how high they are in the air. Ooh! Where's he going? Whoa! Look at him dangling from the helicopter. Wow! Hello! Hey! One of them is wearing the color blue, and the other is wearing the color orange. My two favorite colors. Ooh, remember that? That's the hot seat. Okay, here he goes. Whoa! That looks fun. Whoa, hello. Wow, he just got hoisted all the way up into the sky in the helicopter. Wow. Shut the door. Woo-hoo-hoo! Now it's time to learn the exterior parts of the helicopter. Wow, what a big machine. Oh, hey, up here, this is the cockpit. This is where the pilot and the co-pilot sit. So then they fly the helicopter. Wow! Whoa! And back here, this is the cab. Yeah, this is where all the passengers sit. And this helicopter is so big that 14 people can be inside here. 14? That is so many people. Whoa. Oh, look at this. This is a spotlight. Ready? Yeah, also known as the night sun. This is used to shine so then everyone can see everything at night. Whoa, so bright. Ooh, and back here, this is a water tank, and you fill it up right here. Grab the hose. Bring on the water. Then this fills up with water, and then from there you fly over things. And you pour water on things like fires, so then you can save people. Wow, what a cool machine. Let's see what else there is. Come on. Whoa, look down there. Wait a second, what's this doing here? Huh, you know how some helicopters have landing skids? This helicopter has wheels and tires. Wow, that is so interesting. Huh, cool. Ooh. Whoa, wait a second. You've seen this before, right? Yeah, this is a number. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. The number 3. Wow. Oh, let's open this up. Whoa. Check it out. That's a cargo compartment. It's pretty dark in there. Come on. Oh, hey. Los Angeles Fire Department. Oh, they're pretty cool. Whoa. Wow, this is a horizontal stabilizer fin. It keeps the helicopter stable. Whoa, look up there. That's the tail rotor. Whoa. It's so high up there. And this, it looks pretty big, but in reality, that's the smaller rotor. But this one, the main rotor, come here. It is so big. You see it up there? Whoa. This main rotor has 5 blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Whoa, it's so high up there. Oh, Anyways, I was just trying to touch it. Whoa, look at this! The exhaust! Ooh. All the exhaust from the jet engine gets pushed out of there. Wait a second, I just said jet engine. Yeah, look! Whoa! That's the jet engine. There's two of them on this helicopter. One on this side and one on the other. This is where it produces all of its power. And one of the places that it uses its power is the transmission. Whoa! That is so cool looking up there. Oh hey, look at this. You see right here? This is where you refuel the helicopter. We won't mess with that. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Ooh, check out my sweet dance moves. Okay, anyways, look at this. This is the hoist. Whoa, it goes down, yeah, about 300 feet roughly. That is so much. So then it can save people by going. Thanks so much for learning about the exterior parts of the helicopter with me. Yeehaw! Now it's time for the Firefighting helicopter song.
Fires from the sky. It can stop those flames from getting too high. It can save the trees, save your home. It can even save your life. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Lots of water when it flies. Lakes and rivers are its water supply. It hovers above the burning flames and drops water from the sky. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Transport machines, red and white, for the firefighting team. Lion day and night. It's a transport machine. It's red and white for the firefighting team. Lion day and night. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. It's a firefighting helicopter. It's a firefighting helicopter. It's a firefighting helicopter.
Whoa! That was so awesome learning about this fire department helicopter with you. Well, sorry to say, but this is the end of this video. So, sure I'll see you around. But hey, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Alright, ready? B-L-I P-P-I! Blippi! Good job! Alright, bye-bye! Whoa! Look at this fire truck toy.
It has a gigantic ladder. There's a real fire truck behind me. Let's put this fire truck toy away and check out some of the gadgets on the real fire truck. Can you hear me? This is Fireman Blippi. Hey, we're inside a real fire truck. I got my seatbelt on to keep me safe. I even got my headset so I can communicate with all the other workers. Oh, look over this way. That's where the driver sits and steers the fire truck with the steering wheel. Oh, check the back out with me. Yeah, look at all those seats. That's where the rest of the fire workers sit. And there's anywhere from 3 to 6 firemen in the fire truck going to the fire. Let's check out some more of the fire truck. We're at the base of the ladder on the fire truck, and look way up there. Yeah, there's a real fireman. Let's get him to wave to us. Oh, he's so high up there. He's about 105 feet up in the air. Wow! Hey, now it's about time for me to show you some of the tools and gadgets on a fire truck. Let's go. Whoa! Look, this right here, yeah, this is a hydrant wrench. You use this to open up the fire hydrant. And then this is the stores wrench. Whoa, you use the stores wrench on the inlets of the fire truck. So then you can connect the hose to the fire truck and provide the fire truck with water. But in order to do that, you need hoses. Look up here. Whoa, that's a lot of hose. Okay, now let me show you some more cool gadgets of the fire truck. Wow, watch this. Whoa! Okay, we got a pickaxe, we got just a normal pick, and then, yep, you can't forget the snippers. Ooh, watch this trick. Whoa! Look at all these cool tools on the fire truck. There's tools inside secret compartments that are inside secret compartments. Wait, hey, come back here. I forgot to show you something. Look at inside this little compartment. Whoa, it's a giant air tank. The firefighters use this to breathe air because you can't breathe in fire and smoke. But in order to use this, you need to wear a harness. Let's go try on a harness now. we just got a fire call. Let's go put on our air pack. All right, this is our air pack. This is compressed air in this big bottle. And then this down here, this is my mask. So let me put it on. Tighten that up. And then you just buckle this in. Kind of like a seat belt. Okay, and now you gotta turn on the air. Okay, and then let's put on the mask.
Okay, now I'm breathing air from the air condenser pack back there. Now it's time to go fight some fires. See ya!
Woo! Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Wee! Whoa! Oh! Wee! 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 Wee!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just making some sweet tunes with this bowl. And you like that? That's funny. But hey, today we're not gonna learn about tunes. We're gonna learn about, how to make clay. Yeah, look at it. Look at how many cool colors I have. Whoa, look. It's so much fun to play with. Whoa, and you can roll it up and make things with it. Look, I just made a baseball. Wow. All right, let's look at all the colors. We have orange, white, blue, purple, green, red, black, and light blue. Whoa! And today, you and I are gonna make some of this. Yeah, and this recipe you can make at home with a grown-up. Yeah, and then after you make it, you can squish it nice and flat, and then you take some of these and then you can cut it out. Whoa! And maybe we can spell some words together. Maybe we can make an airplane together. Whoa! This is gonna be so much fun. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is have all the ingredients for this clay. Yeah, here we go. And I have my recipe right here. First, we need a bowl. And what I would do if I was you, I would probably have a grown-up help you because this can get really messy and there's a lot of ingredients. Yeah, all right. So first, we need to start with 1 cup of flour. Whoa, okay, let's open this up. There we go. And it doesn't need to be exact. Yeah, that is 1 cup of flour. Here we go. Whoa. Wow. That is a great base for the clay we're making. Okay, all right. Let's see, 1/4 cup of salt. All right, it is definitely already getting really messy. Okay, 1/4 cup. And then we need to grab some salt. Here we go. Perfect, ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Perfect. All right. Okay, let me zip this back up. Yeah. And then we need 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. What a silly name! That's so funny. Cream of tartar. 1 teaspoon. Oh, there's so many. Okay, here we go. Here's 1. Here we go. And we're gonna mix all this up in a little bit. But for now, let's pour all the ingredients in here. Then we have half a tablespoon of oil. Okay, whoa. This is where it might get a little messy. Okay. Perfect. All right, put the lid back on just so it does not spill. That would be bad news berry. Okay, and then we have a half cup of H2O. Do you know what H2O stands for? Yeah! Water. I love water. All right, half of a cup. Perfect. All right. Oh, hey, look. I forgot to close up the flour. We should probably do that. All right, let's push all that stuff to the side because now we're ready to mix it up. But what we need to do is put in some color. And you can make any color you want. But what we're gonna do, although we already have a green color, I think we should make another green. But this one will be a little bit lighter. So let's open this up, add some green. I don't know how much to add, but that seems like quite a bit. And then also I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow. Yeah, it's gonna make it more of a bright green. Let's close that up. Whoa, that was a fun recipe to make. But now, I gotta mix it up. Whoa, it's looking so good. Wow. You see it? Whoa. All right, let me keep mixing it up. Whoa, yeah, we did it. Wow, check it out. Wow. Whoa, homemade clay. Wow, what a pretty green color we made. Good job. I wonder what color you're gonna make at home for your first color. So now what you can do with this, it's so much fun. You can actually smash it flat. Watch this trick. Where'd it go? Oh, that's silly. Okay, let's peel it off. Wow, perfect. And then, now you can use these. Yeah, they're like cookie cutters, but these are definitely not cookies that we're making. I would not eat this, okay? All right, okay. Yeah, remember that airplane? Whoa! Yeah, check it out. Okay, now you push it down. Whoa, look. Cut an airplane out. But first, let's push it out of here. Wow. Yeah, we did such a good job. Whoa! Wow. Okay, I'll put that airplane right there. Now, let's bring all the colors that we have out. And then, let's see what we can make together. Okay, so let's put that green back. And we have the airplane right there. What else? Oh, we have some letters. We have, ooh, a dog. Woof, woof. Will you act like a dog with me? Ready? Woof, 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 woof. Wow. Dogs are so cute. Okay, let's make a blue dog. That sounds pretty silly, doesn't it? Okay, you know what to do. Smash out your clay nice and flat. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, push it down. All right. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, pull the sides away. Wow, and now, oh, that's silly. Look, what is that?
Yeah, it's a little poochie. Woof, 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 woof.
Whoa! Okay, we'll save you. We'll put you right there. Perfect. All right. One pooch and one airplane. Huh, perfect. Oh, hey, I think we have some letters over here. We can spell something out. Okay, looks like we have a B, a P, an I, an L. Huh, a B, a P, an I, and an L. What word can you think that uses those letters? A B, a P, an I, and an L. I know! Yeah, my name! Blippi! Yeah, we can actually spell my whole name out just with these 4 letters. See? We would go like this. We would use a B, an L, an I. We would do 2 P's, and then we would use another I. Perfect. All right, let's do that. All right, first we need some colors. So let's use this blue color. Yeah, there we go. Let's do a B right there. Perfect. Whoa, this is gonna be so cool. Yeah, and if you use some of this at home, maybe you could spell your name. Okay, let's use some purple. All right, so we got a blue B right here. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, and then we have an L. All right, nice little L right there. Yeah. So a B, L, then we need an I. How does that look? Yeah. Whoa. Okay. B, L, I. Yeah. B, L, I. What's the next letter? Yeah, P. And there's 2 of them. Let's use one of my favorite 2 colors. Yeah, the color orange. B-L-I-P. We need another P. We'll use the color black. This is so much fun. And it feels so cool on my hands. Ooh, another P. Yeah. So we got, here we go. We got B-L-I-P-P. What's the next letter? B-L-I-P-P. Yeah, I. And let's use this bright red color. All right, here we go. B-L-I-P-P-I. Here we go. Oh, how does that look? B-L-I-P-P-I. Yeah, good job. All right. Okay, let's put these down here with the dog and the airplane. There we go. All right. Now, let's make one more thing. Huh. Hey, well, since we have all these stencils and these cookie cutters, yeah, you could actually use a lot of them. You can make a star. You can make a heart. You could make, ooh, a butterfly. Yeah. Or you could use some other tools. Yeah, like this spoon or this fork. And see, look at this. See, you can use the fork and, yeah, act like you're in the garden. Yep, gotta make the soil nice and soft so then you can plant some plants. Wow. But I am definitely making a mess with all these small pieces, so look at this. This is a cool trick that I learned. See, you can actually pick up a lot of the pieces by smashing it. Yeah, it's kind of fun, huh? Okay, but watch this. Hey, we haven't used this color green yet. So, if you take the spoon and you scoop it, although it's a half of a circle, but you go all the way around, you actually might be able to scoop a full circle. Okay, let's try it. Ready? Yeah, look. There we go. Whoa, look. It's like a circle. Wow. And then you can put it in your hands, roll it around. Yeah, look. It's like a basketball. Oh, that was silly. Well, this has been so much fun making this clay with you. Did you have fun making clay with me? Yeah, and it was really fun, yeah, using those cookie cutters to cut out some of the clay into an airplane. Yeah. A doggy. Woof, 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 woof. And my name, Blippi. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right. Thank you so much for being my friend. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just playing with this dinosaur toy. Oh, I sure do love dinosaurs. Do you like dinosaurs? Yeah, they are so cool. Yeah, and it's so cool how all of them look so different from each other. Yeah, whoa. Yeah, dinosaurs used to roam our planet. You know how we know that? Yeah, because people have found fossils. Yeah, fossils of dinosaurs. Isn't that cool? Yeah, fossils are remains from plants and animals and dinosaurs from such a long time ago. Well, I love dinosaurs. You and I are gonna learn about dinosaurs and maybe we'll find some fossils in this video. Whoa, check it out. Yeah, I have a pail full of sand. Yeah, I found all this sand outside. I think we should use some of our tools to see what's inside the sand and maybe we'll find a fossil. Yeah, okay, the tools that we have here are a magnifying glass. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, that'll help us look at things nice and up close. Ooh, nice little pick. Yeah, yeah, pick and a miniature shovel, so then we can shovel up some of the sand. Ooh, and then check this out. Whoa, it's a brush. Yep, so then we can be nice and delicate. We definitely don't want to break up the fossils. All right, let's see, what do we have here? Yeah, bunch of sand. So I think we should take our shovel, our little pick, and then do some picking. Okay. Yeah, we need to break it up. Perfect. Yep, now that we're getting it nice and loose. Oh, yeah, I think I might see something. Do you see that? Oh, yeah. I think we found a fossil. Yeah, it's the color gray. Huh, interesting. Whoa! Look! Yeah, archaeologists love to do this. Yeah, they're the ones that uncover a lot of fossils. Maybe you'll be an archaeologist someday. Whoa! Check it out! Yeah, we found all these fossils. And then look, right here. Yeah, here's one more. Wow. Need to brush it off. Whoa. Check it out. Yeah, it looks like some teeth. Maybe the lower jaw. Whoa. That is so cool. Okay, let me empty this. Have to stay nice and clean and organized. Okay, now let's inspect some of these fossils. Whoa. This one is so cool. This one might even be an insect fossil or something. I don't know. Maybe it's some form of type of dinosaur. I don't know. This could be any part of the dinosaur, but I don't even know. But I know what this is. Yeah. Whoa. This for sure is a fossil. That looks like a rib cage. Do you see it? Yeah. That's a rib cage to a really small dinosaur. Yeah. That's the rib cage. Then the whole dinosaur must have only been about this big. Whoa!
Hello! Hey!
Okay, what else do we have here? Whoa. Huh, interesting. This one kind of looks like a rock. Who knows? Whoa, look at this. This looks like an underwater type of dinosaur. Yeah. It's so smooth and shiny. Huh, kind of looks like a shell of some sort. I don't know. Wow, this has been so much fun digging for fossils. Yeah. Whoa, maybe next time you go outside and you find some dirt, yeah, and you have the correct tools, maybe you can dig and maybe you'll find a fossil. Whoa, pretty cool. Whoa, I sure do love digging and brushing for fossils. Whoa, yeah, I love dinosaurs. Do you like dinosaurs? Yeah, they are so cool. Whoa, check out all these dinosaurs. Whoa, hey, check it out. Do you know what dinosaur this is? Yeah, this looks like a T-Rex. Yeah, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Whoa, what a scary dinosaur. Yeah, this dinosaur eats meat. Yeah, other dinosaurs. Yeah, that is actually called a carnivore. Yeah, if you are a carnivore, you eat meat. Yeah, and a T-Rex is definitely a carnivore because it has really sharp, big teeth. Whoa, check this one out. This is a Brontosaurus. Whoa,
What a cute dinosaur!
whoa, look at its long neck. Whoa, its long neck is really good to reach the top of the tree canopies. And eat a lot of leaves. Yeah, the Brontosaurus is an herbivore. Yeah, if you're a dinosaur and you only eat plants, then you would be an herbivore. Yeah, like a Brontosaurus. T-Rex, carnivore, Brontosaurus, herbivore. Whoa! Well, hey, I think we should listen to the dinosaur song. Yeah!
A long time ago on this planet Earth, before we ever existed, another kind of creature ruled the land, and this is a song for them. Dinosaur, dinosaur, oh had a tail like a hammer and a body that was built like a tank. And the Spinosaurus had a spine like a sail, and they looked quite a bit like a crocodile. Oh boy, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the king of the dinosaurs. They'd roam the land on their big back legs and let out a mighty roar. They were large and fierce and they only ate meat. They had the biggest, sharpest teeth.
But little tiny arms are always just kinda hanging there off of my body.
Dinosaurs, dinosaurs. Oh, I love dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs. Prehistoric dinosaurs.
Whoa! Wasn't that dinosaur song awesome? Yeah! I love dinosaurs! And I love dancing! Didn't that song just make you want to dance? Hey, I have an idea. Why don't you and I pick a dinosaur and let's dance like it? Woohoo! Okay, what dinosaur? Oh, yeah! How about a T-Rex? Yeah, okay, I'll teach you how to dance like a T-Rex. First, you have to put your hands out right here, and they don't have very long arms. So, you just act like you have some claws. Woo! And then, you give it a big roar. Okay, hit that music.
Dinosaur, dinosaur. Oh, I love dinosaur. Dinosaur, dinosaur. Prehistoric dinosaur.
Whoa, that was so much fun. Dancing like a dinosaur with you. And learning about dinosaurs with you in this video. But this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.